Hello, friends. Welcome to the very first episode of Men's Stories. Whenever we talk about this coronavirus, we always talk about three important things. First, the lives we lost. Second, the economy we lost. And third, the jobs we lost. But one another major thing we are losing is our relationships. Yes, in today's video, we are gonna talk about relationships during this corona time. According to the reports from Hunan province, it is said that the lawyers didn't even have time to drink water because so many people are calling up to file for divorce. Following China, even in other major countries, this is the situation now. And the reason reported is the couples are spending too much time together at home during the self-isolation. Now, you may ask me, spending time together is actually good. How come that would affect any relationship? But as the saying goes, too much of anything is good for nothing. Too much of time together also plays a very important role in separation of couples. It is the too much of pressure the couples are putting on each other when they are together for a very longer time. Usually, the maximum time a couple will spend together is approximately 5 to 6 hours when they are awake, and now it is triple, which is actually a lot. Another research has given three reasons that the couples actually find it bothering within themselves. First, not bathing every day. Second, not dressing up properly. And third, working from home. These might sound very stupid and silly from outside, but actually they are very huge. I'll explain you why. Say that you are working from home and you are in a video conference. Now that your partner keeps roaming around, which is being watched by others in the video conference, and when he or she continuously talks to you and disturbs your meeting, will you not feel irritated? Some may not, but some may be, and that leads to a gap between that very few couples. And other two reasons make sense by itself. Already this quarantine time being so bothersome and so stressful for few people, when they also find their partner very boring, again the gap starts. Dr. Julie, co-founder of the Gottman Institute, after her research says that especially people who were working and now living inside four walls will feel stressed over time with the additional feeling of getting sick and losing their jobs. But apart from all these, there are so many lovebirds who are actually enjoying and spending this quarantine time so well together. If you ask me if this quarantine time is good or bad for relationships, is it to bring out the best or worst part of relationships? I would say that it actually reveals who you are and how much commitment you have in your relationship. Don't get tired of being stuck with your partner for 24/7. Instead, watch movies together, have a dance party in your living area, experiment cooking, go ahead and paint the walls which you always wanted to but didn't get time for it. This is the time to prove your partner that you don't just like them but also love them. Hope we all will spend some quality time with our partners and with our family. And yeah, that is all for today's episode. Hope you liked it. For more such videos, please do subscribe to Ben Stories and also share it across if you find it interesting. Please do leave your comments below in the comment section about how you find relationships during this quarantine time, beneficial or not. See you next in another interesting episode, and until then, ta-ta!